So I start by sauteing some mixed bell peppers, red onions, tomato, and some canned beef. The seasoning I use mixed herbs and chili powder, but you can use whatever seasoning that you prefer. So yeah, let that fry over medium heat for about 5 minutes, and that will be ready. Next thing I have is French bread or baguette from Tesco that I got. So what I'll do is I'm going to cut it into halves, slice it open, and fill in my veggie mix. So as you can see here, I'm filling it up, fill it up, fill it up. Keep doing that until everything is completely in there. And the next thing I do, which is optional, is I add some cheese. Yeah, this is a mozzarella and cheddar cheese that I also got from Tesco. Grated cheese, sprinkle that on top. And then I pop it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. And voila, it's ready. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget